You know what it smells like, Alex?
Mexico.
Mexico.
Mad, stop chasing the chickens.
It smells like Mexico. Today's Tuesday, May 9th. We leave for Mexico in 5 days, which 4.5 days, which if you ask me, that's not enough time because there's a lot that goes into this. Yeah, there's a lot of preparing and you know, like we got a tan, we gotta go get laser hair removal, we gotta get our nails done, we gotta go shopping, we gotta pack, we gotta go buy all the unnecessary shit that we think we need that we don't really need. Okay. Alex has to get his waxed. Yeah, there's a lot. Today, we're just gonna spend the whole day tanning because you're going to Mexico, you need the perfect tan. You know, that perfect summer bod and nice tan and no hair on your legs, but it's hot. I'm gonna try and explain Mexico to you guys. So, Mexico to us is like LA people's version of Coachella, in a way, right? It's just way more lit. We have people from all over meeting us in Mexico. We got Hawaii, LA, Florida, but it's a big deal. Mexico is a big one time a year deal. You gotta prepare. I'm gonna order Subway or Chinese. Which one do you want?
Healthy food, Subway to Chinese.
And the most important part of Mexico is picking out the perfect bikinis, which, you know, I've been planning since we left Mexico last time, which was 6 months ago. It looks like it's gonna rain, so I don't know how long this tanning session will last, but we'll give it a go. So the final days of prep start right now, today, with tanning, because we only have 5 days left, and that is not a lot of time or a lot of days. I packed my toiletry bag last night because I got really excited. Felt like it was too early to start packing clothes because what am I gonna wear for the next like 5 days? But yeah, so I just started packing my toiletry bag, and you know, I can't pack my toothbrush because I need my toothbrush. So the last days of countdown start right now, and that's f***ing insane because like yesterday flew by like a snap of the fingers. It was just a week ago and we were like, we have so much time. Here we are like almost 4 days. It is so unbelievably hot. All right, so we're gonna try and explain what Mexico is. Mexico is just a big cluster event for all of our friends. And you know, yeah, we might live in Florida and that might be your vacation, but it's not our vacation because we still have to live life and do work here. So it's 8 days full of madness. It's 8 days full of skimboarding. I don't know how to explain it. Well, I just can't really explain Mexico to you guys other than like, you guys would just rather see it than me explain it. So just let me show you. So as you guys can see, Mexico is just a mess. And you know, we're all messes, and that's what makes it okay for us to go and do this. There's no other way to explain it rather than all of our friends getting to hang out with no cares in the world besides vlogging, and that's like really cool. Nobody has to worry about their like actual jobs. And it's super cool because we get to hook back up with all of our friends that don't live in Florida that we rarely get to see other than like once or twice a year. This is boring and I don't want to sit here anymore because it's hot. Just fart. Wait until something interesting happens. Anything interesting?
No, not yet.
How about now?
No, not yet.
Okay, I think it's time to get in the water. Ah!
It's been a minute.
It's so hot. Okay, so today is Friday, May 10th. It is now 4 days until we leave. I have been running around like a crazy person, per se. Okay, and let me remind you guys, because I did not put it in the beginning of the intro right here, that day was like the worst day ever. Everything that could possibly go wrong went wrong. And it was just awful. I had to get a new tire on my car, waited about, God, 2.5 hours just to get that fixed, which if you ask me is kind of ridiculous. And now we are on our way to laser hair removal, which I'm scared because that hurts. And excuse me, I'm driving. Let me tell you something. The biggest struggle for girls, at least for me, is, especially going to the beach, is having, you know, a nice fresh shave. But for most girls, I know me, I have sensitive skin and that doesn't work out. I get razor bumps and it's red and it's just not a good time and it hurts. So today we are on our way to go get laser hair removal. I don't know if that's like TMI, but we're about to be doing a lot of TMI because this channel needs more. You guys are gonna come, you know, experience a day of being a girl and the pain and the struggle we go to for beauty sometimes. And not even just beauty, but just like less work. Cause like after like, I wanna say it's 6 sessions of getting laser hair removal, you never have to shave again. And I don't know about you, but that's like music to my ears. That's like the gods are speaking down to me from heaven. And you know, Mexico is that type of place where you want to be feeling your best and looking your best and just not having to worry about anything. You're on vacation, you're in the sun, you are living your best life. So that's why we are going to be doing, shit, I passed it. That's why we are gonna be getting laser hair removal because I don't wanna have to worry. I don't wanna have to constantly be in pain or worrying about like, oh my God, I need to shave today. Like, no, that's not an option for this trip, okay? I did it last time and it sucked. Okay, so I'm really confused because I'm going into a hospital. Our office is like inside of a hospital, but yeah, I'll see you guys there. Okay, so I couldn't really show you guys what was going on in there. It's very graphic and it only took about 10 minutes, but for the most part they take a laser, they go over your hair and it lasers it off, and in like 10 days it falls out and then it reduces all of your hair and then you never have to shave again. Very TMI. And as you know, before you leave for a big trip, you gotta come see your mom and say like, hey, hi, what's up, just in case you never come back. Maybe? I don't know. Let's go check on mom. Mommy! Hi. Hi. We're coming to say hello and goodbye to you for the vlog, just in case I never come back from Mexico. That's horrible. Oh, we do waxy baby.
Her scared. There's thunder going on outside. Her scared.
The vlog's never met you. Vlog, this is mom. Mom, this is vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hey guys. So today is what day? Like Sunday? Yeah, today's Sunday. Which means we have like practically 1.5 days until we leave. Yeah. Which is really freaking exciting, but it's so stressful. I have never in my life had so much shit to do for a fucking trip, from like cameras to clothes to skimboards to computer shit. Like, so today we're packing. Everything's pretty much already separated by category because I'm anal. Like, when I put away clothes, hang up clothes, like t-shirts are divided by, you know, like nice t-shirts, whatever t-shirts, and like shorts, skirts, leggings, and then clothes are color coordinated by style, as you can see over there. I'm very OCD with that. It is just, it's my way. Packing gives me mad anxiety. I don't think really anybody understands it, because you are going out of the country. If you don't have every single thing that you need, well, you're fucked. I would call myself an overpacker, definitely. Because if you don't have extras, and you're fucked. Everything right here is pretty much, this is not all of it. It's bras, underwear, and socks, and bras and shit are over there. Here is like nice shirts, crop tops, and like shorts and pants, and yeah, whatnot. Here we got, you know, t-shirts, comfy clothes for when we go to bed, and then outfits, and then hats and dresses and skirts what you guys saw isn't even half of it. I found the easiest way to pack is to put your outfits together and then layer other outfits on top of them. So that way whenever you're on vacation, you don't have to come up with an outfit. You already have one set and planned, and most girls, they put it on there like, oh, I fucking hate this. I get that. That's me. But if I do this ahead of time, I'm like, you know what? I don't have a freaking option. I don't have time. We're going with what we got. So like, I still gotta get together my shoes. I gotta get my toiletry bag together. I have to put away like jackets. I gotta pack up computer stuff. There's just a lot more packing that needs to be done. And the biggest part of packing for me is my swimsuits. So this box is full of swimsuit. I just dumped sand all over my bed. We gotta sit here and go through swimsuits, which, fuck. Went through all the swimsuits. And I found the easiest way of packing for vacation is to bag your swimsuits in bags. I always keep the bags that they come in. So we've got, there's like a couple swimsuits and like some of them. We've got a lot, and this is a problem because I'm only going for like 9 days. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That is double the amount that I need. Yeah. Well, I am bringing some swimsuits because I am going to be filming another swimsuit haul while I'm out there, so you guys can look forward to that. So that's why there's like a little bit more than I probably need. We're not going to talk about it. But I have learned, you know, in the past, that bagging everything in bags definitely helps keep you more organized while you're on vacation. You can like separate dirty and then like dirty and clean, and then if you want to like find a swimsuit, you don't have to search through your whole bag to find like the top and the bottom, you know, like it's already right here, so you don't have to be searching for like an hour to find that one bottom that you needed. And I kind of like, you know, coordinate my swimsuits by either the way that I bought them or coordinate them beforehand. And I kind of did this the other day because I figured you guys didn't want to watch me sit there and go through what swimsuits I am wanting to bring, so I kind of did this all a little bit beforehand. And I'm also the type of person who has to set out her outfit beforehand, because if I don't, I will be scrambling like a diva in the morning trying to put something together, and then I'll have like complaints about what it looks like. But here we just got the Converse, obviously, hat, shorts, and a t-shirt and a jacket. It's simple and yeah, whatever. So as you can see, it is all finally done. Well, it really isn't, but you know, we're working our way there. It'll be done. I promise. Probably not, but oh my god, what if my bag's overweight? Wow, I look like a wreck. I spent this morning tanning. Yeah, this is fucking disgusting. So I spent this morning tanning, and then I realized I have so much stuff like that I still need to get, like shampoo, conditioner. I don't use normal sunscreen. I use like all natural sunscreen. Toothpaste. I have to get a backpack to fit like my computer and all of that shit in. But I need time to pack everything just in case everything's like overweight or anything. Yeah, I weighed my suitcase this morning. It was like 49.675 pounds or something like that. So I literally cannot fit anything else in my suitcase. So it has to go in a backpack. Yeah, I just went to Target and got a bunch of stuff. I am going to Marshall's because I gotta get a couple other things. Can't wait to be in Mexico. This is too stressful. Okay, so everything for the most part, as far as like in the suitcase, is packed and ready to go. You know, we have to bring the Salty Vibes Worldwide shirt and support the fam. Toiletries, bras, underwears, flannels, sweaters, shirts, hats, swimsuits. We're in there. It's time to go to Mexico. I need to get out of Florida. Are you ready for Mexico?
Let's not sleep and then go to Mexico.
That sounds like a terrible idea.
That's what we did last time from LA.
Oh my god, you're right. We
We didn't sleep. We went to Mexico.
I was... Yeah.
It was after Trina won $250,000.
Well, safe to say we're ready to go. Alright, time to go catch 2 hours of sleep. See you guys in Mexico. got bored and decided to go to Mexico. You're already drunk. It's like not even 2 o'clock. I know. We made it. Oh my god, it's been 6 months, way too long. Oh, I've been waiting there for you this whole time. We just got into our room, which we're right there with you.
Hi,
Oh, hey, Gabe.
Hi, Gabe. Hi, friend I don't know.
This is Gabe.
Hi, Gabe.
Hey, Jeff.
I love your hat. I told him he had to make it blue, but I like your hat. I like the hat. No, you just look like you look really
Sexy,
rich.
hot, adorable, sexy, masculine,
No,
fucking big.
you look like a pussy. No, just kidding.
Hello, ladies.
Good on you.